Skip the flashy editing. Let's get straight to the facts. I'm an expert Amazon reviewer, and today I've hunted down the very best bin mops to save you time and money. Let's see what made the list. Product number 1. O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so excited to share with you today's game-changing cleaning essential, the O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System, because honestly, this thing has revolutionized my cleaning routine, and I know it will do the same for you. It's a super efficient, eco-friendly, and ridiculously easy-to-use spin mop system that combines a bucket and a mop head in one genius package, making it the perfect solution for tackling those tough floors and messes with minimal effort and maximum results. Look, I've tried countless cleaning tools in my day, but this one is truly a standout. With its microfiber head that picks up dirt and grime with ease, its ergonomic handle that makes it a breeze to maneuver, and its clever spin mechanism that allows for effortless wringing and rinsing without any mess or hassle. And don't even get me started on the reviews. I mean, for 0.4 out of 5 stars from an incredible 64,015 verified reviews? That's not just impressive, that's unheard of. Trust me, guys, this thing is the real deal, and I'm not just saying that because I've used it myself. The O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System is a certified cleaning powerhouse that's going to make your life so much easier and your floors so much cleaner. And if you're as blown away by this product as I am, you're going to want to grab one for yourself. So be sure to check the link in the description below for active discounts and get ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine like I have. Product number 2. Tidy Monster 12-Pack Reusable Microfiber Mop. You know, I just got done reviewing the fantastic Steam Master 360 Steam Cleaner, and I'm still on a roll with cleaning products, because next up is something that just blew me away, and I'm not even exaggerating, the Tidy Monster 12-Pack Reusable Microfiber Mop. It's a set of 12 super absorbent, machine washable microfiber mop heads, perfect for tackling all your hard floors, and I'm talking hardwood tile, laminate, you name it. Honestly, the last thing you want to do is spend your precious time scrubbing away with a dirty mop head, but with these bad boys, you can just toss them in the washing machine, and they come out looking brand new. Trust me, it's a total game changer, and the best part is, it's not just me saying that. I mean, look at the incredible reviews. Over 17,965 verified customers have given this product a whopping 4.6 out of 5 stars. That's just wow. I mean, what more do you need to know, right? So, if you're as excited as I am about this amazing product, be sure to check out the link in the description below for active discounts, because I'm telling you, this Tidy Monster 12-Pack Reusable Microfiber Mop is an absolute must-have for any cleaning enthusiast out there. Product number 3. BISSELL SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Corded Spin. So, I've got the BISSELL SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Corded Spin, and I gotta say, this thing is a real game changer. Honestly, I was blown away by its performance. This is a corded spin mop, and I know what you're thinking. A spin mop, big deal, right? But trust me, this is not just any spin mop. It's designed specifically for tackling those tough hard floors, and it delivers on that promise. With its powerful spin cycle and corded design, you can tackle up to 50% more mess than with traditional spin mops. And let me tell you, the results speak for themselves. I mean, just take a look at these reviews. Over 8,900 verified customers have given it a whopping 4.5 out of 5 stars. And I gotta say, I'm not surprised. It's just that good. Wow. I mean, people are raving about it, saying it's easy to use. The cleaning solution container is a great feature, and it picks up dirt like a pro. I mean, I've used it myself, and I'm impressed. And the best part? It's super easy to maneuver, so you can get into those tight spaces with ease. Look, I know it's not the cheapest option out there, but trust me, this thing is worth every penny. And if you're interested in getting your hands on one, be sure to check the link in the description. I've got some active discounts that'll make it even more affordable. Product number 4. O-Cedar System Easy Ring Spin Mop. I've got to tell you about this incredible product next up on our list, folks, and I'm just so excited to share it with you. It's the O-Cedar System Easy Ring Spin Mop, and it is a total game changer. Honestly, I was a little skeptical at first, but let me tell you, this thing is a beast. It's a ring spin mop, so you've got that easy-to-use spinning mechanism that makes wringing out that excess water so much easier. Basically, you just step on the pedal and voila, it's done. Look, it's simple, but trust me, it's genius. And I'm not the only one who thinks so, folks, because this thing has an insane 4.6 out of 5 rating from over 5,358 verified reviews. Wow, I mean, that's just unheard of. I mean, people don't just rave about products like this unless they're genuinely life-changing, and I've got to say, after using it, I'm totally convinced. It's got that perfect balance of ease of use, effectiveness, and durability, and let me tell you, it's just made cleaning my floors a total breeze. So, if you're anything like me and you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free cleaning solution, I highly recommend checking out the O-Cedar System Easy Ring Spin Mop. And as a special treat, I've got a link in the description below with active discounts, so be sure to check it out and save some money while you're at it. Product number 5. BISSELL SpinWave Cordless Pet Spin Mop. Alright guys, so if you're still dealing with those pesky hardwood floors and pet stains, I've got just the thing for you, the BISSELL SpinWave Cordless Pet Spin Mop, and I am seriously excited to dive into this one. So, the SpinWave Cordless Pet Spin Mop is exactly what it sounds like, a cordless spin mop designed specifically with pet owners in mind, capable of tackling those tough stains and leaving your floors looking like new. And let me tell you, the reviews don't lie, with an incredible 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 4,691 verified reviews. People are seriously loving this thing. Honestly, I was blown away by how easy it is to use. Just fill it up with some water and cleaning solution, attach the spinning head, and you're good to go. It's that simple. And the spin feature is insane. It really gets into those tough spots and leaves your floors sparkling. Trust me, I was a bit skeptical at first, but after using it for a week, I'm completely hooked. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and the battery life is surprisingly long. I've been using it for days without needing to recharge. Look, I know it's not the cheapest option out there, but if you're a pet owner struggling with those pesky stains, this thing is a total game changer. So, if you're interested in checking it out for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. I'll have active discounts and deals linked up there, so be sure to take advantage of those. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you all in the next video. I hope this helped you narrow down your search. If you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Links to everything mentioned are below.